Hey ninjas! Today we are going to create a low poly character in Blender. First add a cube with subdivision modifier, then apply Shade Smooth to it. Now select the top face and move it upwards to make a torso. Now insert the face again to create neck. And we have created a small face here. Add a loop cut in middle and delete the half part now. Then we are going to add a mirror modifier. By doing this, we will be fast-forwarding our process. Let's create a shoulder and arm here. Now select the bottom part and let's create legs here. Let's add eyes to our character. So this how you guys can create a low poly character in Blender. Fun fact, I suck at human anatomy, but you guys got the understanding of the process. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep improving.